Better safe than sorry. Better safe than sorry. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. Welcome to our video tutorial, where we will explore the age-old proverb, better safe than sorry, and how you can apply it to your life to increase your luck, overcome difficulties, and achieve success. This adage has been passed down through generations, and it's more relevant today than ever before. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the wisdom behind this powerful saying. First, let's get a clear understanding of what better safe than sorry actually means. This proverb is a cautionary advice that suggests it's wiser to be careful and take precautions, rather than to act recklessly and suffer the consequences later. In other words, it's better to be proactive and plan ahead, rather than to take unnecessary risks that could lead to regret or failure. Now that we've grasped the meaning of this phrase, let's dig into how we can incorporate it into our lives. One area where the concept of better safe than sorry can be highly beneficial is in decision-making. Every day, we make countless choices that shape our lives. Some of these decisions may seem insignificant, while others have a more profound impact on our future. To make the best choices possible, it's essential to weigh the potential risks and benefits of each option. By doing this, you're ensuring that you're putting your energy and resources into the right opportunities. This will not only boost your chances of success, but also help you avoid unnecessary setbacks or disappointments. Another vital aspect of our lives where better safe than sorry can play a significant role is in the realm of personal safety. With the fast-paced, unpredictable nature of today's world, it's essential to prioritize our well-being and that of our loved ones. This could mean taking simple precautions like wearing a seatbelt, using a bike helmet, or locking your doors at night. Or, it could involve more significant measures like investing in a home security system or practicing self-defense techniques. By taking these precautions, you're actively safeguarding yourself and your family from potential harm, creating a more secure and stable environment for everyone. Financial security is another key area where the principle of better safe than sorry can make a big difference. Many people dream of achieving financial success, but few take the necessary steps to plan for the unexpected. By setting aside an emergency fund, you're building a safety net that can protect you and your family in times of crisis. Additionally, investing in insurance policies, such as health, life, and property, is another way to ensure that you're prepared for life's unexpected twists and turns. This proactive approach to financial planning will not only give you peace of mind but also set the foundation for a more prosperous future. Lastly, let's discuss how better safe than sorry can help you overcome challenges and achieve your goals. When we take calculated risks and plan for potential obstacles, we're better equipped to navigate the twists and turns that life throws our way. This mindset encourages us to develop contingency plans, which can be invaluable when we encounter setbacks or roadblocks. By anticipating and preparing for potential difficulties, you're more likely to persevere and ultimately reach your desired outcome. In conclusion, the timeless wisdom of better safe than sorry can be applied to various aspects of our lives, from decision-making and personal safety to financial security and goal achievement. By embracing this proactive and cautious approach, you'll be better prepared for whatever life throws your way, increasing your luck, overcoming challenges, and ultimately achieving success. Remember, it's always better to be safe than to be sorry, so start implementing these strategies today and watch as your life transforms for the better. Thank you for joining us in this video tutorial, and we wish you the best of luck on your journey to a safer, more successful life. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.